So one day I searched on Google that what to do when you have parents who don't understand your feelings. And I got many people saying that try to talk to them, try to communicate with them, sit with them, try to make them understand what you feel. So first of all, my message to those people is that you guys are so lucky. You have such an understanding, loving parent. You have loving and understanding parents, but not everyone is as lucky as you. You cannot even imagine how painful it is to have such parents who don't even understand your feelings, because for every child his or her parents is their first love. And when they don't understand you, it's really very painful, and only the people who face this problem know the pain. Now I will share what I did, what I do, because my parents don't understand my feelings. And the thing is, you will find many places they will say start communicating with them, talk to them. They will surely understand someday. They will understand. Try to talk to them, try to make them understand. So I will say, please don't try, because there are three categories of parents. Some categories, the first category is the parents who understand in the first try of the child. Then the second category is parents who understand in third or fourth or 10th try of the child. And there are the third category, in which my parents fall, and many people's parents I think fall. And this is the never understanding parents. Okay, so if a child knows their parents you know better than anyone else, so you will understand which category your parents fall on. So if you see that your parents fall on the third category, then you are my very close friend. So yeah, for them I'm sharing this tip that don't communicate with them about your feelings, but because nothing much is gonna happen. You are gonna say to them, they are gonna say something hurting, you are gonna argue with them, then it will become an argument. At last of the day, at the end of the day, they will hurt you with their words. And I can feel the pain, so I'm telling you, because I can feel the pain, I'm telling you. And find someone who will understand you. Many people have someone who will understand you, but many people don't have someone. So in that case, because I also didn't have someone, and I still don't have someone, so in that case what you can do is, either you can find some you know some online community who are dealing with the same problem, or the best way which I did was talk to yourself. Like, the important thing is you need to let your feelings out. And always remember that you don't need anyone else's help, you don't need anyone else's support. You are enough for yourself. You should live for yourself, not for anyone else. You should always live for yourself, and you are your first best friend. So share with yourself. And when you share your problems with yourself now, when you share your feelings with yourself, obviously you understand yourself better than anyone else. You understand yourself the best. So it is really very very helpful. I have tried it, and so I'm telling you. And when you share your problems with yourself, when you repeat those problems, sometimes the solutions are hidden in the problems only, and you actually find the solution by yourself. So always remember, you are strong enough. You are strong enough and enough, just enough for yourself. Love yourself, understand yourself, and never feel that you need someone else to understand you, to care for you, to love you. You are enough for yourself. Okay, so this was my video on the topic, what should I do when my parents don't understand me, my problems and my feelings. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, please subscribe and like the video.